Part-3 Sentimental Novel. Explanation and examples. Sentimental novel. What is this? Let's talk about the sentimental novel, or the novel of sensibility, is an 18th century literary genre. Normally, we trace its origin in the 18th century. It celebrates the emotional and intellectual concepts of sentiment. So what we notice is that in the sentimental novel, normally we celebrate emotions in a much more effective way. We have some more points. Sentimental novel relies on emotional response both from the readers and characters. So in sentimental novel, when you read, you feel emotionally attached with the characters. You feel moved by incidents, by the way the characters speak, and so on. So sentimental novel has the quality not only to move you emotionally as a reader, but it also moves emotionally the characters in the story itself, in the novel itself. We have some more ideas about sentimental novel. The sentimental novel exalts feeling above reason and raises the analysis of emotion to a fine art. So it exalts, it celebrates the feeling above reason. Means the heart is more important, the feeling is more important, the emotions are more important. Sometimes emotions overrule the reason and the logic, and then the writer raises this analysis of emotion to a beautiful fine art that becomes more impressive and attractive to the readers. They feature scenes of distress and tenderness, and the plot is arranged to advance both emotions and actions. So in sentimental novel, sometimes you can find characters who go through various types of sufferings and the distress. Sometimes you will have the tenderness of feeling in the characters, in the relationships they make, and so on. And both help advance emotions and actions in the novel. Examples of sentimental novel. Pamela of Virtue Rewarded. Pamela is a very famous novel. Its another subtitle is Virtue Rewarded by Samuel Richardson. We have another example, The Man of Feeling by Henry Mackenzie. Then we have the third one, The Vicar of Wakefield by Oliver Goldsmith. These are some of the most famous examples of sentimental novel.